today we'll be talking about the special kit. So the special kit has different tools, and the most important, I'm gonna just tell about that these are the different tools in the special kit. So this is a tongue steer, 2 different attachment of V-pen, Hickey, TTUD, TTLR, V-pen, sensory bite, oro tube, and talk tip. Talk tip, unit tip, pointer tip are the different attachments for V-pen. Also a special mention that V-pen, we have the special battery which is only available on SpeechGuest website. It is not available on any other different website. So whenever the battery gets discharged, order it from the SpeechGuest official website. So starting with that, so the first tool we are going to discuss is Hickey. So I'm holding 2 different colors of Hickey in my hand. One is the yellow color and another one is the red color. The color differentiation is because of the grading of it. The yellow one is the soft one and the red one is the hard one. As we know, I have a child in front of me, so I'll be using the soft one, yellow one, and for adult patient, we will be always using the red one. Hello Angel.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Fine? Okay. So when I'm talking about Hickey, so Hickey has 4 functions, and I'll be starting with the first one. Okay. Angel, can you come slightly front? Yes, thank you so much. Okay. So you have to hold Hickey like this, okay, and then slightly you have to move inside the mouth gradually. Yes, good job, good job, good job. Open, 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 open. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. So this is how we work on opening of the mouth, okay. Second function is for oral desensitization, external oral desensitization and internal oral desensitization. So I will show you how to do with the external oral desensitization. So keep it like this and move it in a fanning shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this has 2 different faces and both the faces are used in 2 different conditions. Make sure that the number of repetitions, the number of set, how much pressure to be used, how to apply, which direction to apply to different disorders is different, okay. So to have a detailed view about it and also to learn the more functions of Hickey, please go through our OSIT course.